In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly link to Teachable course. By the end, you'll have a smooth, clickable Calendly scheduler right inside a Teachable lesson, so your students can book time with you without leaving your course. All you need is an existing Calendly event and access to your Teachable admin. We'll start by grabbing your embed code from Calendly. Open Calendly and choose the event type you want students to book. This could be a coaching call, an office hour slot, or a group session. Click Share, then select Add to Website. Calendly will offer 3 styles. Inline places the full calendar directly on the page, which is great for a dedicated Book a Session lesson. Pop-up text gives you a link that opens the calendar in a modal when clicked, keeping the page clean. The pop-up widget adds a floating button that stays visible as students scroll, ideal if you want bookings accessible across content. Once you've picked the style that matches your course layout, copy the embed code Calendly provides. It includes the HTML and a small JavaScript snippet that loads their widget. Next, head to your Teachable admin and go to Courses, then Curriculum. Choose the lesson where you want the booking experience to live, or create a new lesson specifically for scheduling so it's easy for students to find. In the lesson editor, click Add Content and select the custom code block. This is important. Only the custom code block can run the HTML and JavaScript from Calendly. A regular text block won't execute the script, so the scheduler won't appear. Now paste the embed snippet you copied from Calendly straight into the custom code block. You don't need to modify it. If you selected the inline option, the calendar will render right within the lesson. If you chose pop-up text, you'll see a link that opens the scheduler in a modal. And if you picked the pop-up widget, a floating button will be added to the page. When you're done, save the lesson. Saving ensures Teachable publishes the code exactly as you pasted it. That's it. You've embedded your Calendly event into your Teachable course. Students will be able to select a date and time based on your Calendly availability and confirm the booking without being bounced around. If you want a seamless experience, choose the style that best fits your lesson layout and keeps the flow of learning intact. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the streamlined scheduling in your course.